We are live in the e-kitchen and we are back with our first unboxing from Grove Collaborative. You guys, I am so excited. I have seen these products everywhere and finally I said, you know what? Let's do it. So I wanted you guys to come along with me and share in the goodies. So stay tuned and let the unboxing begin. This is the walnut scrubber sponge. We received this free with our order. It's actually made out of crushed walnuts, which I found very interesting. So you get a set of 2 in here. So we're going to try these out with our dishes and we'll see what happens. Next up is the glass spray bottle with the silicone sleeve. This came with a glass cleaning concentrate, which smelled like orange and rosemary. This stuff smells so good, y'all. I mean, oh my goodness, I'm going to have to repurchase this just for the smell. So you basically just open up this little concentrate right here. You put it inside of the bottle. You add some water, and then you can use it to clean anything that's made of glass. So like I said, I will definitely be purchasing this item again. So here's just a closer look at the bottle. And it's glass. So okay, so this is the room spray glass bottle, and basically what you want to do is just fill this bottle with some water and then maybe 20 to 30 drops of your favorite essential oil. You know, you can create your own blended fragrance with one of their essential oils or with one of your essential oils. I selected the Awake blend with this, so you'll see that later on in the haul. But yeah, I think this is a great purchase. Okay, and next up we have the Stoneware Tray here. This was one of the free gifts with the purchase, and it really just has this clean, simple design. You know, it's perfect to hold your dish detergent, your sponge, your hand soap. I'm going to put mine directly next to the faucet in the Eat Kitchen, you know, and I'll put everything on there. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Clean, simple. You know, put your stuff on there, hose it, and we're good to go. Okay, so next up we have the multi-surface cleaner by Mrs. Myers. I selected the scent in peppermint. It's just basically an all-purpose cleaner that helps to get rid of kitchen and bathroom odors. So this is the limited edition scent that I have going on here. And this was also free with the package, as well as this dish soap. Again, it's in the peppermint scent. It's thick and it makes the grease disappear like nobody business, y'all. So I really love this this brand, Mrs. Myers. And here's some hand soap that I am going to put in my master bedroom. This is in the scent of rosemary, and it has a recipe of aloe vera, olive oil, and a unique blend of essential oils. Okay, so next up is the Bubble Up brush, and basically this is just a renewable bamboo recycled plastic brush that you can use to clean, you know, any of the tough messes that you may have on your dishes and your pots without actually, you know, scraping them up. So this was so cute to me. You just put a little bit of dish detergent down in the bottom, and then you put your brush on top, and then you bubble up. You just kind of push it down, and then you just get to scrubbing. So I really like this. I thought this was really cute. Okay, so next up is the Veggie Brush. you know, we're all about farm to table. At least we're trying to get to be to the point where we're about all about farm to table. But this is basically an organic produce, squeaky clean, you know, with this little earth friendly wonder that works on everything from peppers to peaches to any type of fruits or vegetables that you want to get clean. It feels good. It fits around your hands. So I think we're going to like this as well. Okay, y'all, so this is what I talked about earlier, the Awake Essential Oil. And in this oil, it has bergamot, orange, lime, grapefruit, and lemon oil all mixed together in one, y'all. And y'all know how much I love essential oils. This smells so freaking good, y'all. This will definitely be a repurchase, okay? You cannot go wrong with this smell in your house. And then I also purchased the lemon essential oil. This is one of my favorite essential oils. I take a couple of drops and put it in my sink and run some hot water over it. I use it in my diffuser. I use it in my essential oil blend. So you can just use this lemon oil for basically anything. If you're starting off with essential oils, you definitely need to have the lemon oil in your collection. All right, y'all, and last but not least, this is the cleaning caddy that we have. We are getting organized in 2019, so this is the perfect addition to the e-kitchen. We're going to put all of our cleaning supplies in here, and then that way we can just pull out the whole container, have all of our supplies quick and easy to access. So that's pretty much it for our haul today. Hopefully you guys will try out Grow Collaborative. Like I said, this is our first order from them directly, but I have used some of their products before, like the Mrs. Myers products. So here's everything right here. And I would highly recommend that you give them a try. So, and that's it. It's a wrap, and we will see you guys in the next video.